guys, welcome back to my channel. Yancy here. All right, today is literally just a weekly reset, you guys. You are going to see me just focus on one area of the house, and that is my girls' bathroom, because I really needed to deep clean it. Because it needed to be deep cleaned. All right, so normally on the weekends I do that, and then after that I focus on everything else, but today is just going to be that. Hey you guys, what's going on? All right, so right now currently I'm just refilling all of their empty bottles and just refilling their Q-tips, their cotton swabs, and all of the things that they need that's essential to them. I'm kind of rearranging some little decor on their countertops as well, and replacing a few things. And I'm also just going to freshen up the bathroom pretty soon with some nice little decor that I think they appreciate. All right, so this is basically what I do. Make sure they have everything, and then everyone's good to go. Hey you guys, what's going on? Yancy here. I just want to say thank you so much, you guys, for watching, for liking, for commenting. And if you are enjoying this video so far, you guys, please go ahead and consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, my channel is about luxury and lifestyle. All on Sundays, we talk about bags, we talk about shoes, we talk about fashion. And then on Wednesdays, it's just me with the house, designing, decoring, and literally just DIYing. All right. So if you like that, if you enjoy that, please go ahead and consider subscribing, you guys. I would greatly appreciate it. Please also do not forget to hit that bell. That way you guys are notified every single time I upload. All right. So that way I don't miss you, you don't miss me, and we're here. All right. All right. So really quickly, just to kind of give you an idea of what is happening, there's a clog in here. I did have to call my husband to come and unclog it, but this little machine right here, got it from Amazon. It works wonders. It reaches all the places that I can't because I'm really short, and I love it. It literally comes with so many different heads that we put on, and it scrubs, and it's amazing. All right, so I got it from Amazon. Hopefully I can link it, but yeah, keep enjoying. All right, so really quickly, you guys, I just have to say, I purposely put the camera far, far away from the toilet area because I don't know about you, but me, I am not a toilet scrubber whatsoever. And what I mean by that is I hate toilets. It's the dirtiest thing ever. I can't stand it. Of course, I will clean it because I don't like to see it dirty, but that is my least favorite thing to do. That and then my shower in my room. But if you guys don't like certain things that you clean in your house, let me know. Comment below. What's the thing that you cannot stand cleaning the most? For me, it's the toilet. So yeah. All right, so the girls just got brand new shower curtains and I'm putting them up now, but I'm probably gonna ask my husband to finish because I am really short, you guys, so it's just not working for me right now. All right, so part of what I'm gonna do is just clean under the sink because I need to make sure that I dust. Everybody has what they need and everything can be found when it needs to be found. So everything's gonna be in its place. There's a place for everything and everybody will be fine. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do in this space right now. All right, you guys, so right now I'm just going to freshen up this little tray that I purchased for the girls in their bathroom. I got it from Home Goods. I think it's so adorable, so cute. So I just place their paper towels, Q-tips, cotton balls, and everything else on here that they need. That way it's just easy to get to. But now I'm just going to add some flowers because they really love flowers, and it's just going to brighten up the bathroom.